Patriots today, well, you all have probably seen by now the huge hit Wes Welker took from Ryan Clark on Sunday, and you all probably thought he wasn't getting up as quickly as he did. Wes Welker continues to be one of the toughest players for the Patriots on the field, and right now we've got an inside look on just how he does it. Take a look at Wes Welker, mic'd up.
Good afternoon, everyone, from Gillette Stadium in Foxborough on a beautiful late October afternoon for the Patriots and the St. Louis Rams. Game number 7 of the season for both of these teams.
What's up, man? How you doing? Good to see you, Dante. You all right, bro? Here we go, babe. Here we go. Here we go, babe. Get it going. Let's go.
The Patriots coming in at 4-2 with their victory last week over the Denver Broncos.
Bring some energy, everyone. Bring some energy, baby. We're going to need it. We're going to need it.
Matt Castle in the shotgun formation. Castle awaiting the shotgun snap. He's got it. Stands in the pocket. Looks, fires down the field. It is caught. Leaping grab at the 40.
Let's keep the pressure on him. Keep the pressure on him. Let's go.
Handoff comes to Ben Jarvis. Green Ellis to the right side, fighting for yardage, and he is in.
Yeah! There we go. There we go. Go, man. Go make play, quick. Go make play, baby. You held on to you. Somebody missed the block and you got green confirmation. Yeah. Fun watching you play. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. Our game to go win. Let's go win it. Our game to go win.
It's all about what we do from this point forward. I just told him it's going to be great because we're going to make a drive and score and win the game on that play. You know what I mean? Let's go.
Stands in. Looks close, left side.
Yeah! Have a catch, baby. Have a catch, take off. Have a catch, baby.